Introduction: New Luxury Bike. Welcome to New Luxury Bike, where we bring you the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers. Today, we take a close look at the new 2026 Bajaj CT 125X, a rugged commuter designed for durability, efficiency, and everyday practicality. Bold and rugged design. The 2026 Bajaj CT 125X continues its tough DNA with a muscular stance, high-mounted front fender, strong tank pads, and protective crash guards. The minimalist styling is combined with utility-focused elements, making it ideal for rough roads and daily commuting alike. Engine and performance. Powering the CT 125X is a refined 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine tuned for strong low-end torque and reliable performance. The engine delivers smooth acceleration, excellent load-carrying capability, and impressive fuel efficiency, making it a dependable choice for city rides and rural routes. Ride comfort and handling. Built on a sturdy frame, the CT 125X offers long-travel suspension that absorbs bumps with ease. The upright riding posture, wide handlebar, and comfortable seat ensure fatigue-free rides even on longer journeys. Its balanced handling makes it easy to control in traffic and uneven terrain. Features and technology. The 2026 model is expected to feature a clear analog instrument cluster, bright halogen or LED lighting, tubeless tires, and enhanced braking for better safety. Bajaj focuses on essential features that add value without compromising reliability. Mileage and practicality. One of the biggest highlights of the Bajaj CT 125X is its excellent mileage. Designed for low running costs, it offers high fuel efficiency, low maintenance, and strong build quality, perfect for daily users. Expected price and conclusion. The new 2026 Bajaj CT 125X is expected to remain affordable, making it a smart choice in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. With its rugged build, reliable engine, and practical features, it stands out as a tough and trustworthy commuter for 2026.